The camera industry is buzzing, and this time, it's not because of the usual giants. DJI, a brand synonymous with drones and stabilizers, is rumored to be entering the mirrorless camera market. If true, this could be a major shakeup, much like when DJI introduced game-changing products such as the Ronin 4D and Osmo Pocket. While details remain scarce, leaked specs, patents, and industry speculation give us a glimpse of what could be coming. Let's break it down. DJI's acquisition of Hasselblad wasn't just a power move. It signaled a deep interest in high-end imaging. While Hasselblad cameras have enhanced DJI's drones, new reports suggest that DJI is working on a full-frame mirrorless camera aimed at both photographers and filmmakers. If these rumors are accurate, the camera could launch in 2025 and challenge industry titans like Sony, Canon, and Nikon. DJI has built a reputation for cutting-edge technology, but a mirrorless system would be uncharted territory. However, considering their expertise in imaging and stabilization, the possibility of an innovative new player in the market is exciting. Could this camera redefine expectations for mirrorless technology? To understand what DJI might bring to a mirrorless camera, it's important to look at their track record in imaging. The DJI Pocket series is a favorite among vloggers due to its portability and stabilization, while the Ronin 4D has redefined cinema-grade shooting with its built-in gimbal technology. Moreover, Hasselblad's influence cannot be ignored. Known for medium-format cameras that deliver exceptional image quality, Hasselblad's technology could provide DJI with the edge needed to create a high-performance mirrorless system. If a Sony-sourced sensor were to be combined with Hasselblad's renowned color science, the competition would certainly take note. A DJI mirrorless camera could bridge the gap between their consumer-friendly Pocket series and professional Hasselblad cameras, placing them in direct competition with established brands. The rumored high-resolution sensor could leverage Hasselblad's expertise in dynamic range and color accuracy, making it a compelling choice for professionals. Advanced stabilization, a feature DJI has already perfected in its Ronin 4D, could be integrated into this new system, setting a new standard for smooth handheld shooting. Modularity could also be a key aspect, offering adaptability for different shooting scenarios, whether in a studio or on location. DJI has consistently delivered user-friendly designs, and their approach to intuitive controls could simplify the often complex interfaces found in existing mirrorless cameras. Connectivity is another area where DJI could make an impact, with potential features like seamless wireless transfers and cloud storage integration, ensuring a smoother workflow for photographers and videographers alike. One of DJI's undeniable strengths is stabilization. The Ronin 4D's gimbal system has already become a favorite among cinematographers, and incorporating similar stabilization into a mirrorless camera could eliminate the need for external gimbals. Additionally, DJI's experience with modularity, seen in products like the Ronin series, suggests that their new camera could feature a customizable system. This could make it an invaluable tool for professionals looking for versatility in their setups, allowing them to adapt the camera to different shooting conditions with ease. The design of the camera could reflect Hasselblad's minimalist Scandinavian aesthetic, resulting in a sleek and modern look. A combination of classic design elements with modern technology, similar to the approach taken by Fujifilm's X series, could make this camera not only functional, but also visually appealing to photographers who appreciate a stylish yet highly capable tool. The modern workflow for photographers and videographers demands speed and efficiency, yet many mirrorless cameras still struggle with slow file transfers and cumbersome connectivity options. DJI's experience in seamless smartphone integration, as seen in their drone lineup, could translate into a camera that offers wireless photo transfers and even direct cloud uploads. Internal storage, a feature already seen in some DJI drones, could be another potential advantage, reducing the reliance on external memory cards and streamlining the creative process. Lens compatibility will be a key consideration if DJI wants to compete seriously in the mirrorless market. The Ronin 4D has already demonstrated DJI's ability to support multiple lens mounts, including the DL mount, L mount, and E mount. If their mirrorless camera follows a similar approach, it could attract professionals who already own high-end lenses, making it easier for them to transition to DJI's system. Broad lens compatibility would give DJI an advantage, allowing photographers and filmmakers to use the gear they already own without needing to invest in an entirely new ecosystem. Breaking into the mirrorless market won't be easy. Sony, Canon, and Nikon have decades of experience and deeply loyal users who have invested heavily in their respective ecosystems. However, DJI has an outsider's advantage. Free from legacy constraints, they can innovate without the limitations that often slow down traditional camera manufacturers. Their proven track record in engineering, image stabilization, and user-friendly design could introduce much-needed innovation into a market that has been evolving at a relatively slow pace. While lens compatibility and long-term ecosystem support remain challenges, a DJI mirrorless camera with superior stabilization, modularity, and ease of use could be a compelling alternative for content creators and professionals alike. If DJI follows through on these leaks and rumors, their entry into the mirrorless camera market could mark the beginning of a major shift in professional imaging. Their expertise in stabilization, imaging technology, and user-friendly design could set their system apart from established brands. While competition will be fierce, DJI has already proven that it can disrupt industries with innovative solutions. A mirrorless camera from DJI could bring unmatched stabilization, seamless connectivity, and a fresh approach to modular design. If these rumors prove accurate, this could be one of the most exciting developments in photography and filmmaking in recent years. The possibility of a DJI mirrorless camera raises many questions. Could it truly challenge the dominance of Sony, Canon, and Nikon? Would professionals be willing to invest in a new ecosystem? If DJI successfully delivers on these expectations, the photography world might soon have a new major player. What do you think about these leaks? Could DJI redefine the mirrorless camera landscape? Share your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned for more updates on the latest camera innovations.